just real quick, I'm probably one of those few teachers that do this, but a lot of people, when they're in a math class, in class they seem to understand it, but when they come back the next day, they go, I understood it when I was in class, but when I went home, I forgot it. Has that ever happened to anybody? Okay. In my classroom, I record everything that I do, and it will be posted on my website. It's done daily. I choose a particular class. In fact, right now, I'm recording this piece. I typically only record the new lesson. I don't record old homework or things like that. I just record the new part for the day. Otherwise, the files get kind of big and they take a while to upload. But it's better than just getting the notes from somebody else. You can actually go back and you'll be able to see everything that you see on the board, and you'll actually be able to hear my voice as it's giving the instruction. I know that some people have actually already been to my website because there have been some. I probably do my notebook backwards than a lot of your other teachers do. I kind of outlined it from the back of the book to the front. If you look up there, you'll see. I want all your blank paper in the back. You know why I want it in the back? Anything on it for me to look at, isn't it? Nothing's been done yet. It's not really all that important. You need it, but it doesn't really have anything on it that's all that important. In front of that blank paper, I want your graded tests and quizzes. The newest one should always be on the top. The old one should be on the bottom. That way you're not opening it. You just go right behind the tab, put in the brand new one. It'll be right on top of the other ones. The most recent one should always be on the top. After that, I want your notes. That's going to be the section that you end up referring to the most. It's the most important. That and the homework. The homework is going to be on the top. The most recent homework should be on the top. And that way when you come in, the first thing you should do is take out what? Take out your homework. Where's it going to be? The very front page. The very first thing that you see when you open up your notebook. That way I can walk around the room and take a look to see, did you attempt all the problems? Did you show the work? Everybody understand? This will probably be the only day that I ever allow this to happen. I am not a cell phone person. Oops, let me pull that back up. The goal is to get the variable by itself. So how would I get rid of this 5? I'd subtract 5 from both sides. Does anybody know what property allows me to do that? I thought I heard somebody say it. It is an equality property, but the what? Subtraction property of equality. Geometry is about not just showing the work, but being able to tell you why this actually would work. What would the next step be? Divide by -12. Why would I not want to leave this as my answer? Because it's not in its simplest form, and it should reduce to what? A -1/3, because it is negative. Please circle your answer wherever it might be. Show the steps between the beginning and the end. Anybody got questions? Your assignment's to work on that worksheet. Yeah, go ahead.
Is it okay to show work on another page?
You can show your work on another page. If you can get it all on this sheet, it's also okay.